Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. Today I wanted to jump on real quick. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but there are, and pretty much every release this happens, there are items that are exclusive to the big three stores. So the stuff that only Hobby Lobby gets, stuff that only Michael's gets, stuff that only JoAnns gets. Not even Happy Planner gets, just JoAnns. This, the Pressed Florals, so if you love florals, this is the Pressed Floral Sticker Book. I originally got mine in the Pressed Florals Be Happy box. It did come out though with this release separately. And I didn't realize until very recently that there was a Pressed Florals Accessory Book. It's not listed on the Mambi website, the Happy Planner website, because it is exclusive to JoAnns. I haven't seen any flip-throughs on it. I just got mine today, and I wanted to go ahead and do a quick flip-through for you guys. Sometimes these can be kind of redundant and you don't need both. So since you don't have the convenience of just going and ordering this with part of your order with the discount from Mambi, I thought I would go ahead and flip through it for you guys real quick, compare it to this one, so that you could make a decision if you needed both of them or not. So I'm not going to really flip through this one per se because there have been plenty of flip throughs, but I do want to compare it to the accessory book. So for those of you that don't know, the accessory book comes with a list pad. There's no sticky on this. It's gorgeous and pink. Got lots of check boxes, so you could use this. It's a little bit wide, but you could use this maybe on a monthly view or in a double row in your planner, just part of it. Lots of ways to use this. It does, these four are all sticky notes, and in case you were wondering, yes, they are the exact size to go in a vertical planner. So I actually have used these, and I can do a plan with me again here where I use these as box stickers. Hello, Calcifur. He's like, what you talking about, Mom? And I have used these as, come over here, baby. I might have to be back. But I have used these as box stickers. You just use the sticky at the top and then use a little Tombow tape runner at the bottom. I may have to do that with my Fact of the Day boxes on a spread this week. Anyway, let's get into the stickers. So that's the other thing. It's got, I think, 20 sticker sheets as opposed to the book, which is 30. So we've got some nice quotes. They look like they're a little bit different. Yeah, they look different. So quote stickers, I'm just going through. So these are your full vertical quote stickers. There's one page of those, and then here we get into some squares. So some of these are the same, and some are pretty similar. Those are, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but those are slightly different shades of blue. Again, these quote stickers are a bit different. Then we've got some plain box stickers. Skipping through here to see if there are any in this book. We'll just flip. And like I said, there are tons. Okay, so it doesn't look like there are any of these in this book. Let me flip through real quick one more time just to make sure I didn't miss them. There are empty box stickers, but none of the solid pastel colored ones. Nope, okay. So there are 2 pages of those. And then we get into some empty box stickers. So there's some full-length ones. Those could go on your calendar page. Okay. There are a couple in this book. They're not quite as long. Yeah, okay. Here we go. So now we've got some more box stickers. These remind me of the box, the Be Happy box before the Pressed Florals box that had all the gardening stickers in it. It's got some stickers that match these. Still quite different. Okay, it's just got the artist renderings, not the actual pressed floral. So you get two pages of those. Yeah, 2 pages of those. Okay, here we have a page of rectangular stickers that have this little tab here, which you could, if you wanted, cut that off, but it's not going to cut the entire word off. So it's going to leave a little bit. It's not going to be cleanly cutting that off. I don't think there is anything in this book like that. So quite a few unique stickers so far. Yeah, nothing like that over here. We got one. So here, this one's the same version, but it's got gold foil on it. And there are stickers down the center too. Those aren't circles, those are actually cutouts of the floral illustrations. Okay, here we get into multicolored boxes with actual pictures of pressed florals. And those are similar to the pages in the back of this book. But this one has an entire page with different shades of blue. There's a blue page, a green page, a purple page, a yellow page, an orangey peachy page, a pink page. So that's all of those. Same thing, but it's mixed colors. And you get 1, 2, 3 of those pages. So 3 more pages of boxes. They're mixed. Very similar. Actual photorealistic flowers on these boxes. Then we get into some of the big clear quotes. Again, I think these are going to be similar, but not exactly the same. So, yeah. Again, similar, but not exactly the same. Here we've got some line drawings of some florals in all kinds of different colors. I don't know if there were any of those in here. These are all photorealistic. Okay, here we go. There you go. Same page. This one's gold foil. This one is all different pastel colors. That one's got green foil. So these would be beautiful paired together. Like they've done with this. You could pair some photorealistic flowers on these. Okay, and there it is again, but smaller. So these are just slightly smaller. And there are a couple different shades of pink. There's some reddish orange, yellow. There's a peachy color, purple, a couple different greens, some couple different blues. I don't know how well the colors are coming through, but. And then you've got some corners. These are the photorealistic. These are the little corners. So pretty. So pretty. So this book is actually quite a bit different than this one. I think I'm going to be glad I have them both. Here we go. Now we're getting into some photorealistic pages. I didn't see any of those corners. These corners, I didn't see any of those in this book. Let's see. Different. There we go. Very similar. Similar but not the same. Oh, there we go. Okay. Again, though, similar. I saw this one and thought they were the same, but they're different. These are bachelor buttons. I used to love these. These were my favorite flower when I was a little kid. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Okay, so a couple different pages of those. Again, similar, but not exactly the same. So if you liked this page with all the different purples, you get 2 more in this book. Here's one with all the teeny tiny flowers. And then again with the slightly larger. I think there was a page similar to that in this book. None of the pink, none of the peachy, orangey, yellow. Here we go. Was it that one? Okay, so yeah, all the same flowers. These are just in rows. And there's the slightly bigger, so same size. So yeah, more of those. And that is it. That's the whole book. Quite a bit different, actually. Quite a bit different. I am glad I got them both. So there you go. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you make a decision if you want to chase down this one at JoAnns. Again, JoAnns exclusive, the accessory pack. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.